Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is this super simple, very minimalistic card. Just using Blushing Bride cardstock and Smoky Slate, as well as some heat embossing in white and that little flourishy flower, which is from the first Frost stamp set. This was originally released in the Autumn Winter catalogue 2018, however it has been carried over, so it's still available to purchase in the Spring Summer catalogue. It's also using the Cling stamp set, Strong and Beautiful, which just has some wonderful sentiments in. So move them to one side and move the card over. So as I said, this card is super simple, and the reason for it is you don't need a lot always. It's hyper graphical, so this was inspired by minimalism art. I know that's something completely foreign to some of you, but I like it, and that's where the inspiration came from. So I'm bringing in that stamp, excuse my dirty block, and I'm going to stamp that down in StazOn ink. And the reason why I'm using StazOn is because I wanted that big bold black stamp. So ink that up, put that to one side, and I'm just going to stamp that to one side of this circle of Blushing Bride, like so. So you could always have heat embossed this in black, however, because I wanted the white text, I didn't want to have the heat emboss in black as well as the white, and for them to mix in with each other when you heat set one over the other. So what I'm going to do is let that just dry for a second, and I'm going to bring in my Versamark, my stamp set, which is you have what it takes to be unstoppable, and I couldn't be more proud. So with that, I'm going to heat emboss that in white. So that should be dry. If not, by applying the embossing buddy, that will help to protect it. And I'm just going to ink that up. In Versamark ink. And stamp that slightly over the image, but to one side. And stamp it down. So you can't really see the image to the extent. Let me lift it up. You can't see where it is over that StazOn flower, but you will as soon as you apply the powder, like so. So just move that over, and now I'm going to heat emboss that, so it will be slightly noisy for a second. Apologies. And there you go. So as you can see, the sentiment is just super simple and sits there perfectly with that bold image in the background. And then just with a standard C6 top fold-in piece of Smoky Slate, I'm just going to stick some dimensionals onto the back. And place that in the middle center of our card, like so. And there you have today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below where a full list of the products used are available, as well as links to my online shop as to where you can purchase them. While you're there, like, comment and subscribe, and why not share to your social media so everybody can see how super quick and simple it is to make such a minimal but effective card. I will see you around. Bye.